Laundry sheets. Have you tried them yet? I recently tried them for the first time, and today I'm going to tell you how that went. I've been hearing about laundry sheets for quite a while now, but I've never tried them. They've always been too expensive or only available overseas, or I just haven't felt comfortable, you know? But recently, I'm over plastics. I really am. I go into a store and I cringe at so many products I have to buy that are plastics and going straight into landfill to damage our environment. So one day I was on Facebook, an ad popped up for this product, SPACEWHITE Laundry Sheets. I clicked on it and had a look, and I'm so glad I did. It's a brand new product available in 2020. It's Australian owned, Australian based, 100% Australian product. It is zero waste, which means that everything is used in one way or another. Obviously you use the sheets. All of the packaging is compostable. Even the postage bag is compostable. So I clicked through their website, SPACEWHITE. I'll make sure to leave you the link. I'll probably leave you the link several times because I'm just so stoked with this product. Should mention, they don't know me, I don't know them, I'm not affiliated with them, I don't get any sort of kickbacks. I've just found this product by myself, absolutely love it, and I really want to get it out there and support them and support our environment. So there were a couple of different options. They had the regular washing product and they had this one, which is the stain and odor version, which has probably got a little bit more kick to it, and that's the one I went for. So I opened it up and this is what they look like. Basically they look like a thick sheet of toilet paper. It's about 9 by 11 and that's it. You pop it in your washing, let it do its thing, and away you go. And this is how my first washing experience went. Let's watch this. There's no new sheet smell. There's they've got that washed smell. It's almost like a very faint soapy smell, like you've just had a shower. They feel clean. They look good, there's no fluff on them. Well, it's good so far. When I was hanging them on the line, I actually got a little bit of a headache from the smell. So when that happened, I have to say I wasn't impressed. So they dried, they looked good. I put them on the bed all afternoon. I had the windows open, the fans on all afternoon. I could smell this washing smell. And I thought, this is not going to end well. But by the late afternoon, the smell had sort of dissipated and I went to bed that night, no smell, slept like a log, and that strong scent, it has not happened since. We've been using the laundry sheets for about a month now and I haven't had that strong smell happen again. So whether it was just some sort of freak reaction because it was a brand new piece of fabric, look, I don't know, I can't work it out, but we've washed linen, clothes, all sorts of things, and they've been dried on the line, they've been dried in the clothes dryer. Nothing no lingering smell anywhere. So be confident that there is no smell. So what do I think? I love it. I plan to use this product from now on, and I will be looking at the other products that they have. Our clothes are clean. The colours seem to be brighter. There is no smell to the clothes. It gets them clean and fresh. My son's clothes, he has a very hot, dirty, blokey job, and he comes home filthy dirty and super smelly, and his clothes are clean and fresh, and even he loves it. The first time he looked at this, he looked at it and went, "This is weird, what do I do with it?" And I said, "You just put it in the machine with the clothes." And he goes, "Oh, that's weird. Okay." And then he says, "Oh, that's easy." So yeah, when you can get the male in the house to approve of something, you know you're on a winner as well. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know if you've tried it and what you think of it. And hit that subscribe button and check out any future posts that I make about their other products. I hope to see you very soon. Bye.